Hi, my name is Brant. We're here at Blue Thumb, and today I'm going to talk to you about the IllumiFlow line of pumps. We have these pumps available from 2100 gallon per hour all the way up to 7800 gallon per hour. The nice thing about the IllumiFlow pumps is that they are a hybrid asynchronous pump, meaning that they have the efficiency of a mag drive pump with the durability and flow of a direct drive pump. Opening the box here, you'll see that you get the owner's manual. You'll also get a couple of the tiered fittings that come with the pump and O-rings that will go with these tiered fittings. Digging further into the box here, you'll see that we have the pump protected and the IllumiFlow pump. All of these pumps have a 25-foot cord, so plenty of cord there for you guys to work with, whether you're installing it in a skimmer or a pump canyon box or otherwise. This pump is nice because it does have the intake guard on the front side. However, if needed, we can remove this pump intake by putting our flathead screwdriver there, bringing it across, and taking the protected intake. Now on the inside, you can see that the impeller is inside there. Of course, you don't want to do this while the pump's running, but asynchronous means that impeller is only going to rotate in one direction. Next up, we can also disassemble this further. On the back side, there are 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if needed, we can take a Phillips screwdriver, undo all these screws. Alright, so now that we have all 4 screws off, we can now take this handle assembly off, set that to the side, and that also gives us access to the impeller along with the O-ring inside, and we will be able to remove this impeller as well. Now the impellers, if you ever need to do any maintenance, this will get dirty and grimy. You may need to clean this up. You want to make sure that the white shaft is in good shape, and just make sure that nothing's broken and this is completely symmetrical. You can also rinse out the inside of the pump, returning the impeller, centering that O-ring, and then putting our assembly back on. Once that's back together, we can now put the handle assembly back on and thread those back together. So once again, these are the Blue Thumb IllumiFlow pumps, available from 2100 gallon per hour all the way up to 7800 gallon per hour. Perfect for ponds, waterfalls, and even some fountains. Need any assistance with your IllumiFlow pump or mag drive pumps, or even the direct drive pumps, feel free to reach out. Phone number 888-619-3474, or by email sales@bluethumbponds.com. Thank you.